Hello everyone, let's do some unboxing. This is a prize we received from the Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines. Sienna and I joined the Friend Reels contest. Luckily, we won and got this prize. It is a DIY lamp, and I never thought it was a structure that has significance in Korea. Stone Pagoda at Mireuksaji Temple Site, Iksan is a national treasure number 11. It is located at Gyeongri-guma Mayan, Iksan, Jeolla, South Korea. Mireuksaji Temple in Iksan, which was the largest in Baekje, is known to have been founded during the reign of King Mu 600 to 641. It is the largest stone pagoda in Korea and is known to have been built in the earliest period among the stone pagodas whose construction date is clearly known. Of the three pagodas, the middle wooden pagoda and the eastern stone pagoda were lost, and the west pagoda was originally presumed to have had 9 floors but was half destroyed, and only a portion of the 6th floor remained. Now, the collapsed part has been covered with concrete. It is said that it has now been restored in a way that preserves its original form, through a repair project by covering the collapsed part with concrete. The stone pagoda on the east is called the Dongwon 9-story stone pagoda, and is said to have been restored based on the excavation results of the Mireuksaji stone pagoda. Building restoration describes a particular treatment approach and philosophy within the field of architectural conservation and historic preservation. To upkeep the Meot of the pagoda and the value of the structure, thorough investigations, discussions, and deliberations went through it. It's been decades of restoration project. I will surely include visiting Iksan Mireuksaji stone pagoda on my bucket list. Let's finish this up, and may the light of this lamp shine upon me. Let's see the Meot of Iksan Mireuksaji stone pagoda. You may plug the lamp directly into your convenience outlet, power bank, or even on laptop. How was it? Did you like it? I am really happy to win this prize. I will now have a souvenir of Iksan Mireuksaji stone pagoda. Don't forget to comment and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching.